whenever this user logs in, he will need to complete the second step, adding a solid layer of protection on top of the usual password. So first, to install the Nexter extension free version, head over to plugins and here click on add new. Now in the search bar, type Nexter extension. Once it appears, simply move ahead and click install now. Then activate done. Now, moving ahead, this one adds an extra verification step when users log in. Especially great if you've got multiple users or admins. So, let me now show you how to set up two-factor authentication. Click on the gear icon next to its name, choose which user roles should be required to use 2FA, customize the email subject and message users receive, and finally click on save. Voila! Now, whenever someone logs in, they will need to complete the second step, adding a solid layer of protection on top of the usual password. Set. Now that we have enabled 2FA, let's set it up for a user. For it, go to Users, then All Users, and here select the user to edit their profile. Now scroll down to the two-factor options section, and here you will find 3 authentication methods. First up, there is the email method. When you log in, you will receive a verification code directly in your inbox. It's straightforward and doesn't require any additional apps. Next up, we've got the Authenticator app method. This involves linking your site with an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. And after scanning the QR code or entering the key here, the app generates time-based codes for you to use during login. It's a secure and safe option that doesn't rely on email. Lastly, there is also this recovery code method. This is your backup plan. Through it, you can generate a set of recovery codes beforehand and use them when you are unable to access your primary authentication methods. Each code here can be used only once, so it's a good idea to keep them safe and handy. Now remember, you can enable all of these methods simultaneously and choose your preferred primary method. So, it's all about ensuring you have the access when you need it the most. For now, to use the email method, I'll click the corresponding checkbox, then scroll down and click on this update profile to save the changes. A quick note, after saving, ensure that your WordPress site is configured to send emails properly, because without proper email configuration, the verification codes might not be delivered. It's recommended to set up SMTP, that is called Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, to handle outgoing emails reliably. That's it! You've successfully enabled and configured two-factor authentication in Nexter. Now, whenever this user logs in, he will need to complete the second step, adding a solid layer of protection on top of the usual password.